Hello, I am Dr. Ruchi Latkar. I am a veterinarian by profession and I'm also a client at Dr. Prajakta's. I met her back in 2020, so I've been going to her for over 4.5 years now. My first appointment with her was after my diagnosis of PCOD, and I got to know about her through my mutual friends. So my first appointment was at her house where she spoke to me for over an hour and she got to know me as a person, what I think, what I feel, my likes, my dislikes, my perspectives towards life. And I feel that in that process, along with a gynac, I've also gained a friend in her, because that is what she's been to me. Doctors also need doctors sometimes. So whenever I have hyperfixated on an issue, or I have needed guidance, or I've just needed somebody to confide in or talk to, she's been there for me. She was the first pillar of support that I had back in 2020 when I was just a second year student, and I was extremely confused about what PCOD is and how I can tackle it, because every gynac that I went to was just telling me to lose weight and work out more and pushing birth control pills towards me, and that is just not something that I was aligning with back then, because I felt that nobody was really listening to me. And Prajakta did exactly that. She listened to me, she heard all my complaints, and she made me feel like I was not invisible, which is very rare to find in doctors nowadays. And I applaud her for that, because that was not only the first appointment. Every single appointment after that, she has made me feel heard, she's made me feel seen, and it really feels like a therapy to just sit down with her at every appointment and talk to her about where my life is going and what is bothering me and what is troubling me. And her kindness, her warmth, her the glow that she emits out of her is another reason why I have time and again kept coming back to her, along with the fact that her treatment is spot on. My the cysts on my ovaries have disappeared. I am no longer in pain. The menses are regular, and I just have a lot more energy than I used to have. I also had a surgery to remove fibroids about 6 to 7 months ago, and she has helped me immensely through the recovery phase of that as well. I have referred her to my friends, to my family, and everybody is extremely happy with her as a doctor and as their gynecologist. The personal touch that she imparts to every single one of her patients is it brings such a freshness to the medical profession nowadays, because where everybody is just behind money and running after the fact that they just want to finish the appointment soon, एक के बाद एक बस पेशेंट्स देखो ताकि you can earn as much as possible. She is the one who will sit down and talk to you for hours, even though that might consume a lot of your time. But even today, I can call her at any time, I can text her at any time, and she is there. She has been present. Even during the time where she was busy for her marriage, she has been present for me, and I applaud her for that. And congratulations, Prajakta, for completing 4 years of your clinic, and here's to many more years of collaborating with you, many more years of being your friend and your patient, and here's to a lot more success on your end. And cheers, and thank you for being so great.